first speaker of ESD Workshop is Miss Vicky, who is the main teacher at Vicky English. She is currently in charge of basic to advanced English courses. Do small things with great love is Miss Vicky's slogan, as well as the way she inspires the student with learning English. Therefore, her students have a great passion for English, as well as their own motivation for developing themselves.
Every day, when they go to the class, they want to find their different colors than the current ones. I believe in them, but it doesn't matter at all, because the important is they trust in themselves, and they are here with a very strong purpose to make them better than they used to be.
Next is Mr. Jason Hainsley, who is also the speaker of workshop. He comes from New Zealand. He used to teach English in Japan, China, Vietnam, and now he's working at Vicky English as a foreign teacher.
This is normal in Vietnam. I found everybody has the ending sound problem.
He is a friendly, enthusiastic teacher who always creates a comfortable atmosphere for students. He also has an interest in sharing about the problem that Vietnamese people face with when they communicate in English. Last but not least, Mr. John Masud Parvez. He is the academic advisor of English Speaking Day. He comes from Republic of Bangladesh, who is head of project development at RMIT University, a founder of Vietnam Social Health Revolution. Vietnam Social Health Revolution is an organization aimed at providing support for the health community and developing health service model in Vietnam. Let's listen to his interview about this organization.
Hi Than, good afternoon. Thank you for your question, and also thanks to Vietnam News for writing the report on our social organization, Vietnam Social Health Revolution. So we started this organization actually in research phase 4 years before to understand what are the health-related concerns in Vietnamese health community or people's community at this stage. And after understanding that 4 years of research work, and then we came out on, we decided that we want to help those people and want to do something to solve this problem, which we find out at 4 years of research work. And then we formed the Vietnam Social Health Revolution, and we're running almost 14 projects, which are all in sustainable and scalable manner, and we are growing up to help more and more people moving forward.